Introducing the latest marvel from FlexiCAM, the 20-meter Xtreme CNC machining center, tailor-made for a European manufacturer of truck bodies. Designed to accommodate oversized truck components, this machine boasts a table size of 20 meters long and 3.5 meters wide. Equipped with a dual head, it seamlessly transitions between routing and sawing tasks, thanks to a 18 kW vertical spindle and a 450 mm saw blade capable of controlled rotation, delivering flawless cuts and impeccable finishes. Safety is paramount, with a dust shroud and extraction system ensuring a clean and healthy work environment. Efficiency is maximized with a ride-along rotary tool changer, facilitating quick tool changes and minimizing downtime. With 6 high-pressure vacuum pumps, strategically placed across the table, each zone can be designated for specific jobs. And with features like the slotted suction channel dust collection system and the Height 8 handheld pendant, FlexiCAM ensures every aspect of operation is streamlined for optimal performance.